supposed to call this thing? We got it. Does it have like a special name?
Petroglyph. Red bird petroglyph.
Oh.
What is this for? Pictoglyphic? Pictoglyphic?
Oh. Yeah, it's like, can you read this? I hope you can read this on the internet. It's pretty cool.
Well, I took pictures of it, so you can put it right.
Yeah, I haven't figured out how to do the video, the sound deal. You know, where people videotape something and they put like a really like nice song behind it, and it filters out all the kids screaming and the cars driving by.
I'm glad to see their keep that safe with their fence over there.
Yeah, that big chain.
That chain that I. Is there any way you have a ladder? Probably not.
Yep, it's on the motorcycle. It's in
On the
the
motorcycle.
right saddlebag.
Saddlebag?
The right one. Somewhere down there in the bottom, all dug down. Guess we'll show you what the back end of this thing looks like. That's a big old rock. It's got some writing on it. Dates back like 5,000 years, whatever.